Today is a very chill day in because it's Sunday and Rebecca's working tomorrow. So we're gonna whip out our HelloFresh and we're gonna make the firecracker meatballs with rice because I feel like eating rice. I usually don't eat much rice even back in Malaysia, but I've been craving rice, I guess. When you don't really get it, that's when you want to eat it. So these are the ingredients that's inside the pack for this particular recipe. In here we have scallion, ginger, mayo, sour cream, honey, soy sauce, a tiny sriracha, panko, which are the breadcrumbs, gravy, jasmine rice, the ground beef is defrosting, that's all. The meatballs and beans are done. Now I'm just gonna assemble it. And it's done. I don't really like ginger, so I would actually half that portion somewhere. It's very Chinese to me. Maybe because of the ginger. It's so yum. I really like the beans though. Okay, today is stay-at-home day, but what is supposed to be like a work/chill day is becoming a bit stressful because this morning we woke up to like a slight flood. Kind of. It's because last night it was raining really heavily, which I didn't know because I was asleep like a log. I think there was something wrong with the drainage, so like it kind of overflowed a bit. So our host sent someone to come and fix it. So like the entire area has like his boots tracks and like muddiness and all. So gonna be cleaning. Rebecca got home earlier today from work and she brought back food. Perfect because I'm like super hungry. Here we have some pad thai and chicken wontons and fried chicken. Plaza Road is also main road. Oh god, crazy people. No, but more people. And so I feel like eating like Hai Di Lao. It's down. Or like hot kitchen. For dinner. I don't want to go all the way to Chinatown just to get Hai Di Lao thing. So I felt like eating some mala soup or like dried mala paste noodle kind of thing, like hot pot kitchen or Hai Di Lao. So we ordered from Uber just one portion because we are trying to save money, and then we thought it's gonna be big like in Malaysia, but no, it's freaking tiny. This is definitely just one person's portion, but even then it's really less. Yep. Later this week we will definitely be going to the Korean mart to get our Hai Di Lao paste. Then we can dump as much ingredients as we want. I guess we can have 2 portions with this after all. It's yuan wang. It is an unusually early start of the day for us today, but we were really craving for some Malaysian food. So we're here in Manhattan at 10 AM for this place called Kopitiam, which sells Malaysian food. Wow, they actually have Coke.
I love Sarsi, and there's 100 plus too. Gotta get your electrolytes. And they have Yo's canned drinks. These are so Chinese New Year. Their kuih are freaking big. There's curry puff. This is pulut panggang. We are celebrating Malaysia Day in 2 days. That's on 16th of September. I don't know, maybe it's just the Malaysian in us that we suddenly feel like eating Malaysian food. Here we have the black kopi, which is the Penang white coffee, and this is Kopitiam. Becca got herself the soup pani because she was craving pani for some reason. And I got myself the nasi lemak, but unfortunately they don't have fried chicken, so instead I got the belacan chicken. The sambal comes in this small tub. If I want more, I need to pay for $1. They got the rice right. Next we're headed to the Chinese supermarket over there. Wow, what the heck guys, today is actually kind of cold and I don't have my jacket, so I'm like freezing. They have rice cookers and tons of rice. This is the brand that I use. I didn't know this is what it's called, but this is like fermented cabbage. This is what we're looking for, the Hai Di Lao premix. Where's the stir fry one? Oh yes. Yeah. They also sell herbs here, all sorts of herbs. This is like chrysanthemum, so you can just put water and boil it to make chrysanthemum tea. This is dinner. It is the creamy chicken sausage and kale kawatapi. And we have some leftover happy ham from yesterday's hot pot. We added tons of kale.
They actually gave a lot of kale.
So far we have tried 3 recipes from HelloFresh and all of them were really good.
I feel so healthy. They give so much vegetable.
Good morning. Good morning from where am I? Central Park. Good morning from Central Park. It is actually a very cold morning. It's like 18 to 19 degrees, but I'm not complaining because it's been pretty hot lately, and at least it's a bit chilly and sunny. Just about to go and meet my friend Liberty at the boat house. We're going to be renting a rowboat, and hopefully my arms don't give up on me. So I've arrived at the boathouse and I'm just gonna wait for my friend here. So this boathouse, unfortunately, as beautiful as it is, it's only here until the mid of October. It's because it's too expensive to upkeep. They have a lack of staff or something, so they're gonna close it down. Stuck in the bushes.
Okay. I'm rowing your direction now.
Okay.
Okay.
We're good. We're good.
Oh, watch out!
Your face.
Okay. I think you're good.
Okay.
Rolling.
We're now about to have lunch at Bites of Xi'an. It's a Chinese restaurant. I got myself the beef stew. Super excited to try it because it seems kind of spicy.
Yeah, my family likes things spicy. There's points where it just kind of ruins the meal because it's so hot.
Like you don't enjoy it anymore. It's just like suffering.
How's yours?
pretty good. I feel like it's not spicy.
As I was walking to the salon to get my sister's hair done, I stumbled on this and of course I had to come in. It's 59. I have a golden bubble milk tea, medium.
Order 85, medium size bubble milk tea.
Just now I tried on a lipstick from MAC. This is their liquid powder kit in Marrakesh Mare. I actually quite like it.
Wow, all kinds of reds. I would love to go like this color or this color. Package secured. I'm back at Goodwill because my sister actually saw the picture and she said that the first blazer was actually nice. So I came back here 4 days later and it's no longer here, but I guess that's how thrifting works. I have these 3 to try on. Oh, this is actually quite promising. Oh, and these are thick pockets. And this one has pockets on the outside and also on the inside. But I feel like this isn't black. It's like blue black. This one also thick pockets. And there's a tiny pocket on the inside. Wow, go out earlier than me, come back later than me, ah. Wow, shopping, sirs. Bye.